Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Laptop FM here, and today I wanted to show you my Homelab. So let's get into this. First, let's start with the power. We have two UPSs. They are 9 amp hours. I upgraded them from 8. I got this one and I was given this one. They are pretty cheap, so yeah, they still work perfectly fine. And they haven't blown up yet, so that's good. Let's go up. Here we have my main server. This is where I host many things, such as voice over IP for me and my friends, a Minecraft server, and lots of other smaller stuff like Active Directory, virtual machine. I will get into those later. Then we have my router. It's this Dell right here. It has OPN sense and it uses my router from my ISP as a bridge for its PPP over Ethernet connection. It's fiber. And here we have my web server. It's just that it's a web server for a private website, but I might also host a public one. You will learn about it. Here we have my backup server, which has lots of drives for backup stuff, and also has my dial-up ISP, which I will make another video about it in a few days, I hope. Then we get into this rack right here. We have this PDU, which powers not this and not this. Everything else is powered by that. This one is I'm just storing it here. It's for a future video. You will like it, I hope. And then we have this HP switch right here. Pretty nice switch, lots of ports. Cable organizer, not very organized, but oh well. And we got a patch panel for some stuff. These are telephone things. For example, this one. I will get to that later. Let's go in the back. It's a mess here, I know. I had it good, but then I added more and more stuff and it became like this. So here we have my voice over IP box that connects to that phone, and on this PC right here, which is the dial-up ISP. This is the modem where the calls come in, and yeah, I can have a computer on the other line to make calls. Here we have the back of the server, the back of the router. It's really cool. Oh, it got turned off. Wait, I think I unplugged it. Oh well. Yeah, you see the light turned on again. This is my WAN or LAN. I forgot the colors. Anyway, this is the back of the servers. I really should clean them, but anyway. The mess of Ethernet right here. This is, well, another VoIP box, which it's my portable one, but I never use it for that. And this is the box that holds this switch, because I have 3D printed rack ears. I should get metal ones, but yeah, money. This is for a project that I will share another day, but sneak peek, it's a off-grid Wi-Fi relay system. It's not internet-based, but it uses these servers right here to have a private network with lots of stuff. Here we have those wires that go onto my roof for that Wi-Fi relay thing, and then this goes to my basement to have Wi-Fi there. This is the two UPSs. Here one is connected to the server for safe shutdowns. I keep this disconnected because it's noisy. Basically that, it's noisy. I don't know why this power supply is more noisy than this, but it just is, and I hate that. So here is a bit of soundproofing, and I put stuff here because it's convenient. Here is my AC that I keep the server cool because here in Greece, even in October, it still gets to 26 degrees in my room, and I just don't like that. And this server becomes noisy, and when the power supply fan on this begins to work harder, it's also noisy. Also, I should clean it. That doesn't help. So we come from this rack to my setup right here. As you can see, my laptop, something fell. This computer I use for old software and dial-up. That's my 3D printer. I don't use it very often, so it has stuff on it. That's my drone. Yeah, it's pretty messy right now. Even though it's like that, I don't have any projects actively working on them. Here we have my telephone, which is connected to that VoIP adapter. Let me show you how it works. So I can call this number and it shows up here. If I talk, you will hear my voice and blah blah blah. Here we have this Cisco router that my school gave me because I wanted to throw it away, and I used it for experiments. Here we have this computer I found on an abandoned building. It has broken USB ports, so I use PS2, and it has serial ports, dial-up modem right here. This is an Ethernet card that doesn't work, but it's okay since I have this one. And while this is not part of the Homelab, neither this, it still depends on this to work because this has Active Directory on it, or it's a client to that Active Directory system, and it uses a shared drive, this one, to transfer files from this computer to this laptop, although it's more often from here to here over this one, if you get what I mean. Also, if you wonder my RAM usage, it's pretty much like this. So let's log into this computer to show you. Get the keyboard and wait. I had to do the Control Alt delete thingy. Okay. You see here I was installing some net framework stuff. I don't remember why. Here we have an ancient Java version, and yeah, that's basically it about this computer. Now let's shut it down since I don't need it. That's the famous slap from the GSM video. It still works, but it's in this state. That's my SDR, also works, but it's like this. Here is my DIY fire alarm, which I use from this right here. It doesn't work anymore. Here is my old solar setup. I will make another video with it, but here it's not working. I moved the equipment to that Wi-Fi relay thing because it's powered by solar and I needed the battery and the solar panel, so I'm just left with this here. But I will update this. I will change everything and I will have a far more powerful system. Here I have my drawer of thingies, my Wi-Fi router, my radio I keep for things, and this is decoration basically. So let's jump into some software side of things. And here we are on my computer. Let me show you my router dashboard. It's this one right here. Now let me run a speed test so you can see it going up. I have a 200 megabit line, but for some reason this router does not want to max it out. I don't know why. I should fix it someday. And my upload is like that normal. That's what they give here in Greece, sadly. So that's about it here. You can see the interfaces, the gateways. I will blur the IP addresses, statistics, temperatures, all the good stuff. Here we have all sorts of cool and interesting things to configure. And that's about it for this router. Here we have my phone system. You can see plenty of settings, and let me show you this. So I will call this laptop from that telephone I showed earlier. I will answer. Hello, hello. Okay, that's enough of it. You can see the usage and uptime, load, disk usage, all the good things. Now let's go to my server. As you can see, here is the UPS software. I can make a test. You can see here it switches. And all is good. Here are my virtual machines. Now I used to run all of these. These are for my friends and for myself. Some are for testing, some were random things I wanted to host, but I have them off to save a bit of power, and also I don't really need them. They eat up a lot of RAM. So I have the VoIP server, and this is my Minecraft server. Sometimes I play with my friends. These are my disk drives. I don't have a lot, but yeah. Here are everything I have installed. You can see the Active Directory, the RAID software for the server, and VMware and such. So let's go to the other server. I just booted it up since I keep it closed most of the time because I really don't need 100 watts running for no reason. Here I don't remember why I installed this, but anyway, I was trying to do something. Usually this is the computer I use for any sorts of thing that needs drives. I just pop a drive there and use whatever software I need to use. It's a bit slower. Let me show you the specs on the IBM server. It's pretty okay from 2011. You can see here, memory is plenty, Ethernet, very nice. And here we have a core to quad, very few memory, but it's good enough for just dial-up and the basic file hosting I do. So that's my RAID array right here. It's a software RAID, unlike the other one, which is hardware RAID. It really does not like to auto mount the array. I really don't know why, but yeah, I have to do this thing every time. It should do it automatically, but I just don't know why. Anyway, I have random stuff here and here. This is a boot drive, and most of these disks are ancient, but still good enough. Do I have anything to show you the health? I don't. I also have Active Directory here, but it's a client, not a server. And I have the dial-up part of the server here. As you can see, this is the modem. Sometimes I have two modems in there. Sometimes one works, sometimes the other works. I don't know why, but that's just how it is. If you want, I will make another video showing the full setup of this dial-up ISP. Nothing is logged in here, so it's pretty empty. And that's about it for the... Oh yeah, we also have the Dell server. Oops. I think I remember the IP address. Yes. Wait, no. Well, I forgot the password, so that's nice. Anyway, that's about it for the software side of things. I'm going to do a lot more, but I need a few drives and the will to make something with this lab, because I mostly have it for the hardware capabilities, because it's cool. So anyway, that's about it for the software. And for this last part of the video, I wanted to tell you some things about this channel and where we are heading to. So first of all, thank you to everyone who has ever interacted with this channel, either by liking, commenting, subscribing, or joining my Discord community. It really means a lot to me to have such a nice community of people that care about this stuff. And I know I haven't been posting in a while, but I have some new project ideas that I think you will like, and they are coming soon. But actually, this video was mostly just a warm-up, like I recorded half of it at 5 a.m, so that's why there are some errors on it, but it's only gonna get better from now on. And that's about it. Thank you again for everything, and I will see you on the next one. Bye bye.